so I'm always trying to bring you all some really good advertising. This is a set of Olympia beer advertisements that were done from the 1900s. Now, I'm almost positive that the Olympia Brewing Company put these out somewhere in like the 80s. Now, when I got these, they were like this. I have a set or two more. So these are super cool. They're super thick cardboard. See, so you can see that somebody didn't just reproduce these. I believe these were put out in like the 80s by the Olympia Beer Company as advertisements for their bars, liquor stores, etc. So I was able to get what I think is a complete set, and I sent them out, and you can even see, look at the yellowing on the back of this, right? These are the real deal from the Oly company. I got a couple more sets, I only have one framed up. This is an opportunity to grab some really great advertising to put in your guys' game rooms that you're building. You know, we got customers who are now starting to build rooms like they see here in our videos. And this is a great way to get up some beautiful advertising for a lot of money. If these were original, they'd probably be 5-10 times the money that you were able to get it for. And I believe, and I'm quite certain, they're original Olympia beer ads. They're very cool. I sent them out and had them all completely professionally framed. So I spent quite a few bucks here getting them done. But what a great starter set to get some nice ads on your wall, as well as they are original Olympia beer advertisements. They're from the turn of the century. Oly reproduced them or put them out in the 80s, I believe, and here's a nice, what I think is a full set. Great starter set, get them on the walls, super cool stuff. As you move on, you'll be able to upgrade, get better advertising from us or anywhere else. So anyway, beautiful set to start with. Buy them all. As soon as you buy these, I'll try to frame up another set. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so we think this is old new stock, maybe from the 1980s though.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
You can see that by the way that they're printed, right? You see that? Look at brown on that. You know, this is already good stuff. Great pictorial advertising.
He doesn't know I've already moved on.
Yeah, they're nice. These are nice. This is great for a game room or a bar, saloon. You know, they're all period.
Well, there's a lot of bang for the buck. You're
Yeah.
going to cover a lot of wall with something that's consistent and
it's all turn of the century advertising that was reissued by the Olympia Beer
reissued, turn of the century.
1910.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Yep.
I'm
There
slipping.
it is. All right, did you
Jeff.
get out of the camera so I can
All right,
finish the
sorry
shot?
about
All right.
that.
All right, don't let this go.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.